Hi, this is May's Design Corner, and I am participating in a collab, Ribbons and Bows. And it is a open collaboration. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Design with Emma, At Home with Lisa, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and Debbie Bubbles. Well, ribbons and bows, what I did was made a lot of bows and different ribbon patterns, and I put up some of my DIYs to go along with these ribbons and bows. So I will start off. I have start off to let you see my pink shiny bow that I call Pink Lustre. I think it is absolutely beautiful, and I have it setting on a wreath over my serving table when you come in. This is a beverage station that I have that I set it up with the ribbon and bows. And I will go down and tell you what each section is and how it is. I would like to thank Honor of the Grace Life DIY, Jennifer at Home, Design with Emma, and At Home with Lisa. Lifestyle Design with Teresa and Debby Bubbles. Please go on down to the playlist and check all these beautiful ladies out. Man, I can say some things about all these channels. All these channels are really growing, doing very well, and they have some great content. Please go on over and check them out. You will be so happy you did. Once again, that's Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Jennifer at Home, Design with Emma, At Home with Lisa, New Grandma, Lifestyle Designs with Teresa, and Debbie Bubbles. Okay, let me get started and tell you about prayer. Prayer really works, y'all. Please don't forget to pray for somebody else besides yourself. Now, this is my pink luster bow here that I made. And these little individual bows here, I got these from Imagination Warehouse right here. They're from Imagination Warehouse. I have a video to show you how I went to Imagination Warehouse and the things that they had in there. So I'm going to move down so you can see my complete ribbon and bows. Okay, here we go. We're going to go down so you can see what I have done for this collab. As you can see, I have ribbons and bows made out of everything. This is actually a Dollar Tree tablecloth cut in half and then cut in half again and made into a bow. That's all it is, a Dollar Tree bow. And I have my ribbons with the tulle on it as well, and a little butterfly right there. And I placed it right here over my flowers. I'm going to put it right back. I placed it to the side like this over my flower. Okay. And I have another ribbon and bows right here on this flower here. And here I have a bow that I made right here. This ribbon came from Michael's and Michael's Dollar Tree and Dollar Tree. And here's another one of my ribbon and bows right here with the tulle on it. Here. And then here I have a complete bow made out of the tulle or tulle, however you say it. Some people say tulle, I say tulle, but then I'm just gonna say netting so you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. And it's yellow, and I made a bow out of this as well. And here I found this ribbon at a thrift store, and I made a bow to go along with the netting. And then here's my ribbon and bows right here. This is my ribbon and bows. And I have this sitting up on one of my DIY faux cakes. I love making faux foods, and this is one of my faux cakes. I just love making faux foods. So I'm going to set that back up there. My ribbon and bows. I just love this collab. This is a beautiful collab, ribbon and bows. And I tell you, you could make some beautiful bows and using ribbon and different items to make it. I used a plastic tablecloth here, netting right there, and then the ribbon right here with the little butterfly there. So it's a lot of things that you can use to make your bows with. You just got to know what you want to make and how you want to make it. And then here is another bow that I have here, that this ribbon also came from Michael's right here. And this is from Imagination Warehouse as well. And it has a butterfly on it too. So I think all these bows look just absolutely pretty. I love bows, y'all. And I love making them. Sometimes I just sit down and just make them. I make the raggedy bow, but I don't have a raggedy bow up here this time. I made something called a raggedy bow, but I don't have it here, showcasing it here. And here is another one of my DIYs right here as well. So I'm going to put this back on top of here and let it hang down here. I think that looks beautiful. And then here, I'm going to turn my camera around, and here is another Dollar Tree tablecloth bow right here. Here it is, right here. And this is a blue tablecloth from Dollar Tree. And I put this ribbon and netting on this one from Imagination Warehouse. And it has a butterfly on it as well. It's just so many things you can do with different materials and different sizes to make beautiful bows any way you want them, and ribbon any way you want them. See the little bow shape there on that ribbon? And that's the tails. There you go. I'm going to set that back there. I have a bow down here as well. Go down and let you see that bow. Here's a bow right here that I made as well. And it has one from Imagination Warehouse on it as well. So this is my rendition of ribbons and bows. Yes, I absolutely love it. So let's go around and take a look and see how I did my rendition of ribbon and bows. It turned out beautiful. I absolutely think that it did. And I thank you, ladies, for having this collab. This is really fantastic. I absolutely loved it. I love this collab. Thank you so very much, ladies. And I hope that you ladies have a good day, good night, good evening. And I pray that all goes well in your house and in your life. Because y'all know God is so good to us that He will not leave His people homeless or hungry. He will not. If you trust God, everything will be okay. Thank you again, and again to my subscribers. I thank you all so much as well, and for looking and commenting on my videos. And there's my sign, pray for others. Thank you again. Y'all just don't know. I am so appreciative of these collabs. Thank you. Be blessed, and know that God is in large and in charge. This is May's Design Corner saying Adieu. God bless you.